AWS versus Microsoft Azure. So AWS is offering cloud certifications and both highly valuable in 2025, but they tend to command different salary ranges depending on their role, certification level, and the type of employer. So which one should you choose? So let's talk about their pros. So for AWS certifications, it often leads to higher average salaries for top roles, including architect professionals, which is reported between 150,000 to 170,000 per year. It has a very broad market adoption and demand, which is still a market leader, giving certified professionals flexibility and many job opportunities. Now, for Azure certifications, on the other hand, is also offering a high value in enterprise environments, which often appeal to large companies, especially those already invested in Microsoft products, and also has a lower cost at some certification levels. Fundamental and Azure programs and exams are generally more affordable than the AWS top-tier exams. Now for the cons though, AWS cons is getting certified doesn't guarantee top-tier salary. Very senior roles or specialized positions are needed to hit the highest pay brackets. Meanwhile, for Azure, enterprise demand is strong, and Azure certified professionals may face more regional or industry specific demand rather than the global cloud native roles. And for the certifications near renewal and the costs, well, both platforms require recertification or revalidation, which can eat into the ROI depending on the role and the employer. And they also have a market saturations, which more people are now certified in both, so certification alone may not guarantee premium pay unless combined with experience or specialization. So overall, although they offer higher top-end salaries or good competitive enterprise hybrid cloud and roles, it's still better to choose. It depends on your career path. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.